Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed viewers, and those who accidentally clicked on this video while looking for cat memes, welcome back to the channel where we dissect the news with the precision of a surgeon and the humor of a late-night comedian. Today, we're diving into the latest policy from the man, the myth, the legend himself, President Donald J. Trump. Yes, you heard it right. The president has decided to take on Big Pharma with all the bravado of a cowboy riding into town to clean up the mess. In a move that has left pharmaceutical executives quaking in their designer shoes and stockholders clutching their pearls, President Trump signed an executive order introducing most favored nations drug pricing. Now, what does that mean for you, the average Joe or Jane? Well, in Trump's own words, it means that whatever the lowest price paid for a drug in other developed countries, that is the price that Americans will pay. Imagine that, folks. America getting the VIP treatment in the drug pricing department. It's almost like we're becoming the Costco of pharmaceuticals. Trump boldly declared that the U.S. will no longer subsidize the healthcare of foreign nations. It seems we've been inadvertently funding the medical bills of people across the globe, while Americans have been left holding the bag. How generous of us. But fear not, dear viewers, because the president is here to ensure that the pharmaceutical companies won't be making 2/3 of their profits from just 4% of the world's population anymore. Talk about a monopoly. The irony here is thicker than a high school chemistry textbook. Trump, a man not exactly known for his love of regulations, is now taking a stand against the pharmaceutical giants. With a twinkle in his eye and possibly a wink to the camera, he assures us that this new policy will slash prescription drug prices by up to 90%. That's right, folks, it's a discount extravaganza. Cue the confetti and the celebratory air horns. Our dear Health and Human Services Secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr., chimed in with a sentimental note, sharing how his Bernie-loving children were moved to tears by this development. It's a touching family moment that could bring a tear to even the most hardened skeptic's eye. Who knew drug pricing could be such an emotional roller coaster? But not everyone is thrilled about this policy. The Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America, a trade group whose acronym sounds like something you'd expect from a dystopian novel, is not amused. They're calling this a foreign first pricing scheme, which sounds like a catchy title for a conspiracy thriller. According to their president, Stephen Ubel, this plan jeopardizes American innovation and could make us reliant on China for our medicines. Because nothing screams patriotism like outsourcing our drug development to the land of the Great Wall. Now, dear viewers, as we navigate this pharmaceutical saga, it's time for you to weigh in. Do you think President Trump's latest move is a stroke of genius or a prescription for disaster? Leave your thoughts in the comments section below. We want to hear your take on whether this policy will make America great again or simply make our medicine cabinets more affordable. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy our satirical deep dives into the world of politics. Every like, comment, and subscription helps us continue bringing you content that makes you think, laugh, or at least mildly amused. As we wrap up this news segment, let's reflect on the absurdity of it all. In a world where drug prices seem to have a mind of their own, it's refreshing to see a leader who is willing to take on the giants. Whether this move will lead to lower prices or just more headlines, one thing is sure. In the theater of American politics, there's never a dull moment. So, until next time, stay informed, stay entertained, and remember, when it comes to news, sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction.